Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right in your Burger King app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, install and download the particular app, and then tap on that app. And once the app is open, go ahead, tap on the sign up option above given and enter your first name right here. Enter your email address. Once you're done entering email address, go ahead, tap on this I agree with the following terms and policy. Tap on create account. And as you can see, you are good to go. That way you will be able to get signed up right in your Burger King and use your app as the way you would like to. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.